Now to a story out of South Windsor where Democrats retook control of the town council there last month, but they're still challenging the election results, saying they're being denied a 6th seat on the 9-member board. NBC Connecticut political reporter Mike Savino joins us live tonight from South Windsor. Mike, break down this issue for us, please.
Well, Kevin, Harrison Amatson came in 6th out of all of the candidates running, which under the old rules would have been enough for him to get on to that South Windsor council. But voters here on the same night also approved a change to the charter so that to limit parties' control, saying none of them can have more than 5 seats on the council. So the question is, when do those changes actually take effect?
And that is my intent, to bring a unique leadership concept that put people first.
Democrat Harrison Amatson won enough votes on election day to join the South Windsor Town Council. But the next day, his spot went to Republican Richard Balboni, despite getting 900 fewer votes, because voters also approved a town charter change that no party can have more than 5 of the council's 9 seats. Amatson filed a lawsuit saying the change wasn't supposed to start yet.
I felt like their voice would not be heard if I just stay silent and do nothing.
Town Clerk Barney Armstrong and her attorney didn't comment today, but their motion to dismiss notes that those changes started on November 5th, the day after the election, and Amatson's claims are clearly an attack on the implementation of the municipal charter revisions. But the head of the Charter Revision Commission says that's not what was intended, and minutes from a March meeting show members agreeing that the change was meant for 2 years from now.
In our process, we worked through thinking, well, even if it's effective November 5th, it's applied for the next election.
Candidates can demand expedited rulings on the decision of an election official, but a judge dismissed Amatson's request because Armstrong's decision was not applicable to the election process and involved an after-election application of the revised charter, the effective date provision. The state Supreme Court will hear Amatson's appeal on January 13th. His attorney says a quick decision is needed because Balboni shouldn't be on the council.
If he's not properly seated, his vote shouldn't be recorded. And not only that, Harrison Amatson, his votes should be getting recorded.
Now, Balboni couldn't be reached for comment today. Another Republican on the South Windsor Council referred us to the local party chairman, but he too was not available for comment today. Meanwhile, Democrats are trying to get people to show up to Monday's town council meeting to voice opposition to this decision. We'll see how that goes in a few days. Live from South Windsor, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.